Today we'll be doing a series of stretching exercises designed to relieve tension in the body, stimulate blood flow, and create space for deeper breathing. We'll begin with knee to chest. Let's start lying on our back.
From lying on your back, bring your feet together to touch. Angle your chin towards your throat, extending the back of your neck long on the floor. Your arms are long beside you. Draw your right knee towards your chest. Interlock your fingers on top of your right shin or hamstring. Keep your left leg active and flex your toes back towards your face. With each inhale, strengthen your grip and imagine dropping your tailbone heavy towards the ground, maybe creating a small gap between your lower back and the floor. With each exhale, encourage your knee closer towards your chest or right shoulder. Take 4 slow, deep breaths here, softening into the stretch with each exhale. This stretch works to open both the hips and lower back while compressing the ascending, descending lines of the colon, shown to support healthy digestion. Release your shin. Return your leg to the floor. Maybe you notice a slight release in tension of your right hip flexor and lower back. Repeat the stretch with your left leg. Inhale, draw your left knee towards your chest. Interlace your hands over your shin. Soften your tailbone down towards the floor. Allow your breath to support you. Take care to release any tension in your chest or shoulders. Lengthen the back of your neck. Take 4 deep breaths here. Research has shown the slight tilt of your chin may stimulate the thyroid gland, which supports a healthy metabolism. One more deep breath here. Release. Next in this series, we will do extended knee to chest. Draw your right knee towards your chest. Bring your right elbow inside of your knee as you extend your heel towards the sky. Grab hold of your right foot from the outside. Your opposite hand can rest on your left hip, helping to anchor it toward the ground. Soften your tailbone towards the floor. Maintain a long extension in the opposite leg. Keep your left foot active by flexing your toes towards your face. Inhale, slightly kick into your hand, activating the leg muscles, resisting your grip. Exhale to soften your right knee towards the ground, relaxing the hip flexor and stretching the groin and hamstring. Notice a release in your lower back and sacrum as you breathe here. This stretch lengthens the hip flexor of your extended leg while opening the groin and hip of your bent leg. This pose might look different on my body than it does on yours. That's okay. It's important to remember that it's more about the sensation of the shape in your body than the shape itself. Release your raised foot, draw your knee back into your chest, and stretch your leg out long. Repeat this exercise with your opposite leg. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, left elbow inside left knee. Grab hold of the left foot from the outside. Anchor your right hip down with your right hand. Your right foot stays active, toes are flexed. Check in with where you might be holding tension in the body. Breathe deeply to help release it. Mindful breathing into areas of tension may calm the brain and reduce stress. You'll find this may also help to relieve lower back pain. Release your raised foot, draw your knee back into your chest, and stretch your leg out long. Our third and final exercise in this stretching series is a figure 4 stretch. From lying on your back, bend your left knee. Place the sole of your foot on the floor. Bring your right ankle up to rest on top of the left thigh, just slightly below the knee, creating a figure 4 shape with your legs. Flex your right foot to protect the knee from strain. Float your left foot off the ground. Your shin is parallel to the floor. Inhale as you reach the right arm through the space between your legs and interlace your fingers behind your left hamstring or on top of the left shin. As you exhale, gently draw your left knee towards your chest. Think of pressing your hip bones and shoulder blades down into the floor. Your head stays down heavy. Maybe you encourage your right knee away from the body using your right elbow. Take 3 deep breaths here. For people with super tight hips, moving into a figure 4 shape can work to relieve any hip flexor tension that lingers from sitting for long periods of time. This posture decompresses the lumbar, lower spine within a safe alignment. And release. Soften the sole of your left foot to the floor. Stretch your right leg long towards the sky. Lower your right leg all the way down. Repeat on the opposite side. Left ankle comes on top of right thigh. Flex your left foot. Inhale, reach through the space you've just created with your left hand. Interlace your fingers behind your right hamstring or shin. Using your breath, draw your right knee towards your body. Maybe use your left elbow to encourage your left knee away from your body. Find your breath here. Notice how one side might feel different from the other. Listen carefully to what your body might need as you move between postures. Compressing the hip flexors in this type of stretch stimulates blood flow upon release. One more deep breath. Soften your right foot to the ground. Extend your left leg long towards the sky. Bend your left knee. Sole of the left foot comes to meet your right, down on the mat. Stretching, even for 5 to 7 minutes a day, can feel like the dessert portion of your fitness routine. Treat yourself to dessert by performing a simple series of whole body stretches like these. These stretches will get your blood flowing into places that might have been blocked by tight muscles.